Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time that I have actually sat in front of the camera and filmed. It's been, I think, more than a month or so that I have filmed, and I've not uploaded any videos. Also, I'm really sorry for that. I was really busy with my birthday, then I was busy with Eid, so I had to travel back to Dubai. So I was quite busy. I was traveling. I promise you guys that I'm going to be really regular from now on, and you'll be seeing me more. So today's video is going to be my June favorites. The first thing what I've been loving in the month of June and July is a sunscreen. It's from the brand Organic Harvest. So this is what it looks like. So on my birthday was on July 1st. I went to Goa actually. If you guys follow me on Instagram and my Snapchat, you guys will get to know, because I've been posting a lot over there. If you are not following me, you should definitely follow me there. So this is the sunscreen which I've been using since for the past 2 months, and when I went to Goa, it was quite humid and sunny over there, so I have been using this and I have not tanned at all. This is an SPF of 60 and it says it's waterproof. I went to the beach, I went to the pool. It has really worked for me. I did not get tanned at all. It does not give a white cast on your skin, or it does not look heavy at all. This one just melts into your skin, and it does not even give a flashback in your photographs. So I've been really using this and loving this for the past month. So the second thing I've been really loving, and I've been using it regularly, is from the same brand. It's the Organic Harvest Under Eye Gel, which looks like this. So this is how it looks like. I've been using this for the past 1 month regularly, and I see I do not have much of dark circles, but lately I have not been getting sleep. I sleep really late and wake up early, so I've been getting a little bit of dark circles, and I have been using this for quite some time, and I must say it has been helping me to reduce my dark circles a lot, and it gives a very nice cooling effect under the eyes. I usually wear it before I go to bed, and it really cools my under eye area, and it feels very calming. So it feels very soothing and calming, and I highly recommend it to you guys if you're looking for a very good under eye gel, so which is budget friendly as well. I highly suggest you guys to go for this. So the next thing what I've been loving is lipstick. First one is from the brand Revlon. It's the Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. It's in the shade Devotion. This is one of the lip color what I'm wearing now. It's a beautiful color. I wouldn't say it's exactly matte color, but it's got a velvety matte kind of a finish. So that is how the color looks like. It's a beautiful color. So I've been wearing it in conjunction with another lipstick, which is from the brand Avon. This is my next favorite. It's in the shade Matte Lily. So that is how Matte Lily looks like. It's a beautiful shade again. So I've mixed these two colors, and I absolutely love the result of how it looks like on my lip. So the next thing what I've been loving is from the brand Body Shop. It's their Japanese Cherry Blossom Fragrance Mist. So I've been using this for the past 1-2 months a lot, and I really love the fragrance of it. It's a very nice florally kind of a scent, and I've been using this on my trips, and I've been really loving it. Yeah. So the next thing which I've been loving and using a lot for the past month is a moisturizer. It's from the brand Cetaphil Lotion. So it's the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, which looks like this. I absolutely love this product. I do not have much of a dry skin, but I do get a little bit of dryness on my nose. So I've been using this before I use my makeup, or even if I'm at home, I just wear this and a sunscreen, and it actually moisturizes your skin very well. So I've been really loving this. So the next thing what I've been loving is a kajal, which I am actually wearing it. I got this a few months back, and then I never used it. I've also reviewed this, I guess, on my blog. I'm not too sure. And I've been using it quite regularly. I actually there was a time where I used to wear kajal on my waterline always when I was in school, and at that point of time I just used to wear kajal, but then later on I just started using eyeliners, or I don't use any kajal of that sort. But lately I've been loving wearing kajal on my waterline. I feel it gives a very pretty look to the eyes and enhances your eyes. So I've been using this and I've been really loving it. It stays all day, it doesn't smudge, and it's very dark. And I'll just show a swatch of it. So this is how it looks like. Been really loving this. So the next thing what I've been loving is a lip liner from the brand Color Bar. It's in the shade Creamy Nude 006. So that is how it looks like. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it's a very nice nude kind of a color. So this can be worn under any lipstick. If you want to neutralize your lips, if you have pigmented lips, if you want to neutralize it, you can use this, and you can use this below any color, and it's going to look really good, and it's going to bring out if you have really pigmented lips, it's going to bring out the color. So I've been really loving. And the next thing what I've been loving is again a lip liner from the brand Studio West. It's in the shade 30 Brown. That is how it looks like. It's a beautiful brown color. So I use it as a lip liner, and I use it also just by itself. It looks really gorgeous. It's very creamy and matte. It does not dry out your lips. It's very comfortable on the lips as well. I have a few other shades as well. So this is really nice. It's their satin lip liner. So the next thing what I've been loving is a new launch from Garnier. It's their Ultra Blends Nourishing Shine Shampoo. I have it in the variant henna and blackberry. It says it's paraben free. It's for dull, dry, lifeless hair like mine, and it says it adds vibrant shine, brilliant shine. But actually I've been really loving this. I really love the packaging and the color of it. It's beautiful. I'm planning to do a blog post on this on my blog, so do check out for that. But I've been really loving it. It actually does not dry out my hair. Usually when I use shampoos, it makes my hair really dry and frizzy. This actually does not do that, so I'm really happy with it, and it really cleans my hair, makes my hair really smooth and vibrant, as they say. So the next thing what I've been loving is from the brand Body Shop. It's their Body Shop British Rose range. It's their body butter, and I love their shower gel and scrub from the same range. But I've been really loving this for the past few months, because it's very light on the skin and it smells amazing. Like, there are some scents of rose which makes your head ache. This is not like that. This actually is very pleasant to the nose, and it's very moisturizing and light. So I've been really loving this. So the last thing what I've been loving is an oldie but a goodie. It's from the same brand, Body Shop. It's their Illuminating Moisture Cream, which looks like this. I've actually used it up. Only little bit is left. Again, I have a review on this on my blog. So it's actually an illuminator which looks like this. It's got a nice pinkish glow to it. I use it as a highlighter and it looks beautiful. I also use it as a primer before putting on my foundation, and it gives a nice pinky glow, a nice dewy look to the foundation. Like, it gives like a glow from within. So this is one of my favorite product, and actually as usual I forgot to use it for quite a few months, and then I rediscovered it in my vanity, and then I'm just using it non-stop. So I've been really loving this. So that's it for my favorites for the month of June. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I promise you guys I'll be regular and I'll post more often. I'm planning to do at least 2 videos per week, and I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.